Oh, sorry. I don't know how to start. I thought you'd pick up. I thought I'd be talking to you right now. But, speak now or forever hold your peace. It was quite fitting, actually, because you're talking of marrying her. If you do, I can't be there. I can't sit in the church. I'm watching you smile as she walks down the aisle. Look, she'll look beautiful. I can't sit at a table choking on chunks of steak while you sit next to her, whispering in each other's ear. I can't go home alone, staring at the ceiling, picturing you together on your wedding night. I can't do it. I wish I didn't feel the way that I do, but sometimes I think you might feel the same. I see it. The way you gravitate towards me when no one's looking, but I'm looking. I'm always looking. I don't know what to do. Whether I should just delete this stupid voicemail and force down these feelings like I've done time and time again, or if I should just press send. Let you wake up to this. And then what? You end things with her, we run off together in the sunset. Yeah. No way. If you loved me the same, we'd be together. Why not? So, yeah, give me a call back. Okay, bye.